Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase data at a very cheap rate on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see I have a balance of 1000 naira and I'm going to be purchasing data from this particular platform for a very cheap rate. Okay, so I'll just click on data. Okay, right here you can see they actually have different packages for different networks. So I select Glow, and then I'll type in my phone number right here. I will just um click on the drop down button below and then select the kind of package I want. You can see right here they have 500 MB for 30 days, they have 1 gig, they have 2 gig, they have 3 gig for 750, they have 2 gig for 500, they have 10 gig for 2500. Okay, so anyone that suits your budget, you can actually click on it and then continue. So before I continue, let's check the data price for another network, which is Airtel. Okay, so I'll just click on the plans right here. You can see this is 500 MB for 131 naira. This is 1 gig for 235. This is 2 gig, and you can see different plans right there. So I'm just going to go with the Glow which I want to subscribe, so you guys can see how easy it is. Okay, so I'll just click on the plan and then select the particular one I want to do. I think I'll be going for the 3 gig, so I'll just click on it and then I'll click on this option right here showing buy now. Okay, so once I click on the buy now, you can see they are asking me if I'm sure I want to send data to this particular number typed right here. So if I want to cancel, I'll go for oh no, and if I want to proceed, I will just click on yes. Okay, so right there you can see it is loading after clicking on yes, and right here you can see I will just click on view receipt to show you guys that it was successful, and I'll show you the message I also received. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Okay, most of you actually buy data at very costly price, so using this platform is going to be a very big advantage for you. So you can see that is Glow, that is 3 gig. You can see the previous balance, you can see the new balance, you can see the amount they charged me, and you can see my phone number right there. Okay, so I'll just pause the video and then check my app to see my balance. So right there you can actually see the message I just received from Glow Network. Okay, showing that the transaction was successful. Okay, well, let me open it fully so you guys can see right here. Okay, so you can see this is a message from Glow that I just received 3.72 MB, sorry, 3 gig and 72 MB. Okay, so this is the transaction received once again. Okay, this is the transaction received, and this is another receipt for the Airtel I just did, and to tell you that this platform is very fast. So you can actually be using this platform to recharge by yourself and be saving some money for yourself. And for those of you who are interested in data reselling business, you can actually use this platform as well. Okay, so if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, do well to subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button as well, and let us grow together, guys. We're on our way to 1000 subscribers. So guys, support the channel, share the videos, and invite your friends to watch as well. Thank you. And I will be dropping the link to sign up on this platform in the description of this video, so do well to check and then use the link to sign up. You can fund your account with any amount you like and then start buying data for yourself. Okay.